Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into a hot topic that's been buzzing in the health community: intermittent fasting. If you're a health enthusiast, you've probably heard about it, but do you know the real benefits? Let's unlock the secrets of intermittent fasting and uncover 7 surprising perks that might just blow your mind. First off, what is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet, but rather an eating pattern. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular methods are the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and the eat-stop-eat method. Now let's jump into the benefits. Number 1, weight loss. When you fast, your body taps into fat stores for energy, leading to significant weight loss. Plus, it helps reduce insulin levels and increase growth hormone levels, making fat burning easier. Number 2, improved metabolism. Intermittent fasting gives your digestive system a break and boosts your metabolism. This can lead to more efficient calorie burning and better overall nutrient absorption. Number 3, enhanced brain function. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can improve brain health by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein plays a key role in cognitive function, learning, and memory. Number 4, reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a big concern for many of us. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, helping to lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Number 5, increased longevity. Believe it or not, fasting can extend your lifespan. Animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan by promoting cellular repair processes and reducing oxidative stress. While human studies are still ongoing, the potential is super exciting. Number 6, improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve several risk factors for heart disease, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammatory markers. It's a heart-healthy choice for sure. And finally, number 7, better blood sugar control. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes. It's a powerful tool for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. So there you have it, 7 shocking benefits of intermittent fasting. Remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your eating patterns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.